If you do not know, then the court also
No,
doesn't know.
I know. In case.
If it is
Because
technical, then the court will also not
no,
know.
I'm not. I will not drag you.
And
Lordship.
Mr. Bhattacharya will surely not know.
No, I will
And
not.
even if he knows, he'll say he doesn't
I
know.
will not drag you,
No,
Lordship,
if
into
my
the
lord
technical.
doesn't know, how will I know?
Nobody will know if it is a
Your
technical
on a
issue.
very lighter note, my lord, how will I know if your lordship doesn't?
No, nothing.
No, very well, my lord.
What?
One thing, my lord. I may not.
My lord, may
I
I
am.
lordship, sorry, my lord.
Yes, I will take some time to place it, my lord. My lord, if your lordship permits, just few things.
You place if
Yes,
required,
yes,
will be seen.
My lord, there are three types of anomalies in the whole issue. First, wrong evaluation, despite having the specific answer at par with the TB number books, ISSB and an ISSN acknowledged book by the commission. Despite the specific answers are there, my clients were not given the appropriate marks. Separate options have been allowed by the commission. One. Second type of is this. There were out of syllabus questions. There is a syllabus given by the commission as well as 11-12 syllabus is there. There is out of syllabus question. Two. Third kind of anomaly, that is killing the competitive edge by giving marks to all when there are specific answers to certain questions. Suppose sun rises in the east. North, south, east, west, four options are given. Despite the east is the answer, marks have been given on attempt. So it destroys the competitive edge over the person who has rightly marked east. Others are also getting for marking north. So this is how the competitive edge has been destroyed.
How will sun rises in the east, somebody marks north?
In case, I'm giving an example. In case those are specific answers from the books we can show. Even I'm just giving an answer. It is as easy as that answer, but they have given answer to all, marks to all, that they will get, whoever attempts the question, they will get the marks. Killing the competitive edge.
That means no examination. Whoever appears will get the
Whoever
examination.
marks anything ABCD will get the marks, despite there is specific answer.
To say.
I'm showing. Now, my lord, there are answers. First, there was one preliminary model answer key, because the nutrition subject, I will show to your lordship why. Because that is a technical subject, I will show. First, there was a preliminary model answer key. Certain answers were given. Now the result came out. The final model answer comes. Commission grants permission to the candidates to apply if there is any objection. We also raised the objection before the commission within 7 days. No answer was given. Now from the preliminary model answer key, it changed. In the final model answer key, it changes. That may so happen. Now I show, my lord, kindly come to page number 65 for once. I'm
Show
showing
the advertisement first.
advertisement.
Or the rules.
Yes, I'm showing.
Where the stages are mentioned. Dates of the examination, the uploading of the preliminary, the model answer key. If there is anything mistake, you are to apply. The dates are all given. Where are those dates?
I'm giving, my lord. This is. I mean, these are the notifications also I'm giving.
Yes.
The notifications are also there.
Yes.
Just one copy. Lordship will find that giving the model answer keys, it is given.
Yes, the dates. Where are the dates given?
No, dates are on 7th, 14th of September. Examination took place.
14th
7th,
September.
7th was the result was out with the model answer key. Then, my lord, I will show from the writ petition. They have given 7 days time. Your lordship will find one notice also where they say that you can give objection to the expert committee. Your lordship possibly has considered that document.
The method of SLST selection.
Yes.
You have a copy?
No, I do not have a copy.
You must be having a copy, otherwise.
Kindly see the second portion, my lord. It says the 11-12, last paragraph, it says any objection if you have, you can raise. I can also show from my writ petition.
The Central Commission shall publish in its official website preliminary model answer key and may invite suggestions and objections.
We first, after the preliminary.
And it has to be done within 5 days after publication of such model answer key, supported by at least 2 authentic.
Yes, we have done so. I have done so.
There is no result.
No result, nothing, no answer.
No response.
No response. Now I'll show, my lord, the question. Kindly see. From the textbooks, I'm already holding.
No, I'll not go at all.
Just one example I may show.
I will not go at all. Nothing. The Central Commission is to form an expert committee.
Yes.
And the commission shall finalize and upload
Yes.
the model answer key.
Yes.
So you got to know that the answer that you marked was
Yes.
incorrect, possibly.
There are three types, I can say. Despite there is a specific answer of A, finally the outcome in the final model answer key comes to B, which is supported. My answer is supported by the records, the books. But in the model answer key, it is B. So I lose 1-2 marks there. There are
So
two
you did
questions.
you whatever is the Central Commission's expert committee uh, report will be considered. Where is your objection? Please show me.
Yes. My mail, Lord, kindly see. This is in volume number 2 of the writ petition. Kindly come to page 325. I show how the commission had given me 7 days time. Page 325 at the top. It came at the bottom of my result. That's 7 days time. Now,
I didn't get it. Page
page 325 of the volume number 5,
325.
volume number 2. Volume 325. 325 top.
Yes, 325 top.
Top. It came at the bottom of my answer. This is result. So within 7 days, the discrepancies were directed to be filed with the commission.
325 is a disclaimer. It's a print
No,
result.
it came. Kindly see the previous page. It
Yes.
came with this beneath the result. They say if there is any discrep. This is the result. Kindly see to 325 now. That 325 says that this is a comprehensive result. For any discrepancy, please contact with the commission. And it is also there in the rules I handed over. Rules, there is a provision that if there is something, I can draw the attention. Page
No, prior to the declaration of the result, where is your objection given in terms of this rule
unless the
11?
final model answer comes, I cannot raise objection. I cannot see my marks also. It comes with
It
the
is
marks.
not a question of seeing the marks. The Central Commission shall publish in its website preliminary model answers and objections are called for. Those objections are placed before the
It
expert
is not that
committee.
objection. I tell you, Lordship, there is a difference. First, my lords, they come with one model answer key. People may have objections. They raise the objection. It goes to the expert committee. Expert committee comes forth with the final model answer key. Now the discrepancy is in the final model answer key, which is not going with my answer key, despite I am having the support of the books.
Yes, so final model answer key was published when?
Final model answer key filed on 7th of November. 7th of November with the model, with our OMR sheets, the final model answer key came with the result, with the marks we have obtained. That came, I showed page 323 with page 3.
Were you okay with the preliminary model answer key? Were you okay? If you were okay,
There is a
then
change.
how will
Yes,
you
because in the final model answer key, the answers got changed. Suppose, my lord, there is one option A. I am sure that option A is well acceptable for me. Now, in the final model answer, in 2 questions, that got changed to C. Now, the question of anomaly comes from the preliminary. There is option A. In the final model answer key, the option is C. Now, I raise the objection that C, it should have been A. You have given C.
All right, page 324 is the
326 onwards, I raised the objections on 11th November, 12th November. Constantly, I have raised objections to the authorities, but no result has been, no, it has not been considered.
all right. Let me hear the
Now,
commission once.
just one thing, my lord. Now the result have come up.
Hmm.
Now we have got rank 18 and 20. Now 1 mark will take us to rank 2, 3. And your lordship knows the consequences. I will get the options of the schools nearer to my house, and there are consequences. So, my lord, if your lordship is not willing to see the questions at all,
Not at
I will
all.
not drag your lordship
Hmm.
because it is a technical issue court may not enter into. But there are at least 6 questions out of which I will get 4 marks at least, for which, my lord, there are answers I am correct, supported by material records and books, which
It
has not
is
been.
there in your objection raised, page
Yes,
328.
yes, 326 onwards, everything, not once.
326.
Onwards. That is of 12th November. Kindly see, your lordship will.
The issue now is that the final answer key got changed from the preliminary answer key. Maybe
I
after
am not ready to reply to that.
I
particular,
understand.
Because it is not, the case is not made out.
Yes. I have
Papers
made
are
out.
next.
No, the case
I've
that
made
the
out.
answer scripts were changed. I
Yes.
have not taken instruction to that effect.
Is there in the writ petition.
But Millard will, if is Millard looking at 16th September's notification?
Mm.
Rule 11.5.11.
15th November, I see.
Milord will then first see the rules. Thereafter, Milord, I am taking Milord.
Yes, 16th September notification has been handed over. Fero diye din.
So, Milord, 16th September notification, according to the 16th September notification, Milord, 25th September, within 25th September, it has to be, the objections has to be raised.
His issue
Is
is
the answers changed?
answers changed at the final answer key stage.
Milord,
And then there is a mention that if there is discrepancy, you can contact within 7 days.
that discrepancy is not answers key discrepancy.
Yeah, of course.
That's result discrepancy.
I don't know.
But that is a general disclaimer, but
That
this cannot
is-
be linked back to the 16th
So why-
September notification.
Whatever. But then your the schedule that has been
Milord, the difficulty of change of answer script, Milord, I am not equipped because the case, so far as my understanding goes, is not made out in the writ petition.
I have
your rules say so that the commission shall finalize and upload on its website the final model answer key based on the decision of
Yes,
the
it was done.
ex
It was done.
and evaluate the OMR on the basis of this and the final model answer key uploaded in its website. Right.
Milord,
It is at this stage that he is having some problems. I am not sure.
Milord, I do not have this particular instruction because
Right.
the cases were not there.
আছে তো।
তুই কোন paragraph টা আমার
দেখো
ঠিক
তো
আছে?
প্যারাগ্রাফ ঠিক করা
Why don't you consider
yes
326, 27, 28? Possibly it is the same thing.
yes the dates are different 11th November 12th November constantly I have written to the authorities that
11
as per
12 number he has written, I am not rejecting saying anything.
That I understand.
Publish হয়েছে।
7th November
7th
7th পড়েছি 7th পাবলিকেশন হয়েছে তো 7 দিন মানে 14 তারিখ
Final answer.
7 তারিখ তো 7 তারিখে এর সঙ্গে পাবলিশ হয়েছে তো তো আমাদের র্যাঙ্কের সাথে এই মার্কসের সাথে এসছে ফাইনাল মডেল আনসার কি we have also like
Please come.
my lord, only one
Mm.
submission, one humble submission before lordship, my lord. My lord, this same now, if it is reevaluated or seen, the same expert committee will be doing the same exercise. But I have challenged that the expert committee's decision of changing the answers. Now, my lord, if the same expert committee does the same, they will be sitting on their own case. I have made a specific prayer that in my prayer that an expert committee be formed to see my objections are correct or not, because he will be hearing his own case. Because they have already explained it.
And Milord, in paragraph 5 of the writ petition, the petitioner says that after publication of the OMR sheets in the official websites, the commission's written examination, the petitioner found the discrepancies are there.
At
OMR
the initial stage only they found discrepancies.
that is para 5.
No.
What?
OMR sheets and model answer key came
Well,
on
OMR sheets
7th.
September.
Petition state that after publication of the OMR sheet and model answer key in the official website, model answer key came on 7th. After that, they gave us
No, model answer key preliminary came long back.
On 20th September.
that is the first model answer.
Where?
Where he has made the
Yes, I'm showing. It was the first model answer key. There are two model answer keys. I've annexed it. There are two model
Yes,
answer
I can
keys.
understand preliminary and a final one.
Yes, after the and the model
Go
answer
out
key.
from the petition that with the preliminary model answer key it was all right, but at the final stage it got changed. Show me the preliminary answer key.
I'm showing.
And what is the change in the final one?
Yes, I'm showing. My lord, kindly come to answer key page number 74. 74 of the volume 1. No, this is the final model answer. There are three documents.
Preliminary one.
Preliminary. Yes.
74.
No, 74. Preliminary. 78 is preliminary.
78.
78. This is the with the master key. My lord, kindly mark the master keys, because according to the master key, the answers will be changing.
78 is the.
78. My lord, kindly see. I give one of
This is the preliminary one.
This is the preliminary one, yes.
Where do you get the
And 77 also. 77, 78.
all right, where is the date to show that it is a preliminary one?
Because the final one is at page 74. This is how they have published in their website.
All right,
Page 74 is the final.
this is preliminary.
There would be three documents. 74 is the final, 77 shows the master key along with the series, and 78 would be the preliminary. Now, my lord, there are changes. I show. If your lordship kindly takes first the page 77.
Page 77.
Yes, my lord, kindly take question number left hand side, master 1, 2, 3.
3.
3. Kindly see this series A, question number 26. 26 would be the question number. Master key is 3, series booklet A. Right? My lord, kindly come to this page 78. This is the preliminary model answer key.
Yes.
It comes C, 3, master key, left hand side, 3C.
Yes.
Now, my lord, kindly come to page 74, which is the final model answer. It is written as final. Kindly see the second
Yes.
column.
Hmm.
Kindly see 3 comes to A and C.
কোনটা দেখালে দাদা সরি
3 নম্বরটা 3 নম্বর
78 এ কি দেখালে
78 টা হচ্ছে 3 এটা হচ্ছে তোর প্রিভিয়াস মডেল আনসার কি
3 তে সি
3 78 এর 3 তে হচ্ছে সি শুধু সি ছিল আর এটা 74 হয়ে গেল এ এন্ড সি
তো?
নাও মাই লর্ড নেক্সট কাইন্ডলি টেক 32 at page 77
if the petitioner had given
কারণ আছে
Page 32.
page no 77 page 77 kindly see this right hand side column
32.
32 question number 59
Hmm.
of a booklet. My lord, kindly come to page 78. Answer was D. Page 78 right hand side.
Yes.
Now, my lord, kindly come to page 74. 32 to 74. That is page 75. Page 75, left hand side, marks to all.
75 marks to
75,
all.
left hand side, marks to all.
Yes.
This is one. Now, my lord, they have given option, specific option in other questions.
That means you say that what you answered was all right, but then others have also.
They are going up above me. One. Second, your lordship, which has not seen by your lordship, there are specific, suppose there is one from the petition I'm saying, how much iron is needed for a pregnant woman? That is 21 mg. From all the books I can show. They have given marks for others also. 14 mg, they have given marks. 13 mg, they have given marks. Cannot be. There is one specific answer from the book. You cannot do it. Now, my lord, there is out of syllabus questions.
And was it there in the preliminary answer key?
Preliminary, I tell your lordship. I tell your lordship.
What was the answer given in the preliminary answer key?
Preliminary, yes. I'm just give me one moment. Kindly give me one moment. I'm showing. From the petition itself. I'll kindly take my written also, since it's technical issues, page 8, Roman 2. The example I'm giving.
Page 8 of the
State
writ
petition,
petition.
volume 1. I have explained it, how the questions have
No explanation.
But
Just give
that
me
as per the
instances.
textbooks, the only answer will be option D, 21 milligram. But in the model answer key, marks have been given to all of the above options, which is incorrect. As other than option D, other options have no acceptability, for which any competitor in the said examination will get one free mark practically. Even if such candidate has chosen any other option than D, it is destroying the competitive edge and the level playing field. You cannot allow this. One. Now, my lord, I come out of syllabus questions, and yes,
But out of syllabus was at the initial stage. Now you cannot say out of syllabus.
Very well, my lord. Now the next page, page number 9, Roman 3. With respect to booklet series A in question number 32 such and such, the question serving size stands for there where 4 options were given. Amount served A, B, C, D, such and such. Next page, that as per the model answer key, the option A, amount served at a time, has been given as a right answer. But from the textbooks, it appears that both options A and D would be correct and suitable. I have marked option D, since A and D both are correct, but they have chosen only A. So I have suffered here. Now, my lord, next, This is very important. This one is very evident. The kindly take the Roman 4. The question came, no protein supplement is required other than daily food habit for majority of athletes. This guideline is given by 4 options. I have marked Sports Authority of India, which is I have the all the books, note their guidelines, notification, everything. But they have not chosen option A. They have given option C, ICMR. Clearly, the documents are showing that it is the Sports Authority of India who gives the
Question we
guideline.
felt from Miller's was how was the change happened?
Yes.
We are still trying to.
Please come to page 75 once.
May I just call them for one information? It's
Just 1 minute.
75.
Page 75, I can see there are a lot of markings, marks on attempt,
Yes.
marks to all. What does this mean?
Miller, there might.
Is it a free thing? Whoever puts a tick mark, get a mark.
But I understand what is falling from Millard, but this was the expert committees, Millard, who knows the subject. Even I am not an expert to assist Millard with regard to what.
It's not a question of an expert. Thing is, when you give marks on attempt, that means everybody gets that mark.
Yes, even the petitioner.
This is the grievance that you are killing the competitive edge of the candidates.
Petitioner's grievance is the decision of the expert committee. The expert committee is not before Millard's. The petitioner is giving reasons that why, according to him, the expert committee's decision is not apt. Or
you tell me,
Millard,
how come you give marks to all
I have to
even
take
if
instruction to that.
the answers are incorrect? And how marks on attempt can be given? What type of questions do you all frame? It doesn't have a proper answer.
I will come back on.
And
At
they
this
change
point,
it.
I don't have it.
First, they have an answer.
Not there.
Second model answer,
We
ki
did
no
not
answer.
ask.
Marks to all.
We did not approach
Is it to accommodate others?
for
I
any-
pose this question to myself. Is it to accommodate others?
And
No, it is
the
not to accommodate anybody.
preliminary one, you had only one answer to one question. Pages
Because
77.
That is the reason 16 September notification is there, that if there are discrepancies, if somebody has any objection, within 25th September, they will let us know so that the expert committee can assess the question papers as well as the objection with valid reasons.
That's the previous. I'm talking about the final model answer key, which has changed.
You know, the changing, Millard, even if the point is that he was satisfied with the preliminary answers, Millard, I could not take instruction to that effect because the pleading specifically does not say so. Paragraph 5 says otherwise.
Showing from the documents. The final model answer key
Millard,
changes.
Millard, that's why the rule specifically says that the decision of the expert committee shall be binding upon everybody. It is not about the petitioner also, because everybody will be in the same footing.
They have been given to
If
challenge
the
also.
answers to A and C, if the petitioner has opted C, petitioner will get, A will also get.
No,
This is
that-
fair.
Why will you
Yes.
get? This is the issue.
This might be that the experts have felt that both the answers are nearby.
That means the experts have felt that the question was not proper and D is not the appropriate answer. That is
I
the reason
cannot-
even A is given a mark.
I cannot respond to this.
You have to.
No, I will. But as of now, I cannot respond to Miller.
It
This
has
thing
been
because
already
we did not take.
ranks have come up. Interview. They will be starting from 20.
Yes,
28.
If you go by this way, then anybody who puts in the application will be given a chance to appear in the examination. Their name should be there in the interview list. You are making segregation as to whether previous teaching experience in a private school, whether teaching experience in a government school, in an army school, in a Navodaya school, and now here you give marks to anybody.
16 questions. 16 marks to all 16 questions. Kindly see.
This was given.
16 questions.
Some reasons.
Huge. 16 marks means huge. Whoever attempts gets marked. Thing.
There must have been some reasons, Millard. It might be like that.
Obviously, there are reasons.
Absolutely.
Otherwise,
Millard will allow
This
us to
could not
come back,
be.
Millard, in this matter with appropriate instructions. Millard, we will assist the court.
please come.
But my lord, the difficulty is, my lord, I'm just praying for an interim order now.
What interim order?
Yes, now my lord, if I get the marks, my rank would be higher at this stage. I'll be at the higher rank candidate. Now, whenever they come, they have published their. I have filed this writ petition previous to publication. I obtained leave from your lordship and I filed before publication. It is not seeing the result I have come.
So now the interview list has been published.
Now there is a difficulty. They will verify me an interview.
Yes.
Since I'm ranked number 820, I will not the options which are being shown to rank.
That is the time of final merit list publication.
But at this stage, I'll be at a disadvantageous position. My lord,
Why?
kindly protect us. Kindly
What
protect
type
us
of disadvantage
that
at this stage?
if your lordship interferes, then the relief will be given to me.
What type of relief?
That my rank, the marks, if I am given, I'll be securing higher marks. That is to be considered.
That is in the final merit list. It will be shown. Now nothing.
Your lordship is keeping it.
Success.
Your lordship is
It is
keeping it
pending.
for next week, my lord, because the days are very short. That is why, my lord.
Uh,
Timeline is very short. 28 is the verification.
The petitioners participated
28
in the recruitment process conducted by the West Bengal Central School Service Commission for appointment the post of assistant teacher
Post of assistant teacher at 11, 12, 11. Nutrition.
in respect of classes 11 and 12. Stuff. Allegation is that the commission changed the answer
Just take one.
as was published in the preliminary model key in the final model key. Stop. The final model key was published simultaneously at the time of publication of the interview list. Both done simultaneously, isn't it? Interview list and the final answer key
7th of November.
on 7th November 2025.
দেখে বলছিস তো?
হ্যাঁ, দেখে বলবো।
কুড়ি, কুড়ি। My lord, I am told that after preliminary model answer key objections were raised. May I just take one information?
It must be here in your
Yes,
petition.
it is. I'm just taking one.
It is not there.
It is there
Yes.
possible. The documents are attached. My lord. May I just call for once?
The according to the petitioners, differed on a perusal of the final model answer key annexed at pages 74 and 75 of the writ petition.
Yes.
74, 75 and 76 of the writ petition.
Maybe, excuse me.
It has been shown that there are questions where two answers have been found to be correct, comma, marks have been allotted only on attempting the question, and marks have been given to all candidates. Stop. The petitioner raised objection before the commission on 12th
11th also. 11th November, 12th November.
11th November 2025 and 12th November 2025. Stop. Next. The petitioner alleges that candidates who did not answer the question correctly will get an advantage if marks is provided to anybody who attempted the question and despite giving a wrong answer to the same. Stop. Next. It has been submitted that the competitive edge of candidates providing wrong answers to the questions gets diminished if marks is allotted to everybody who attempts an answer question. Stop. Next. The commission is directed to revert with a report after considering the objection filed by the petitioners. Release the matter on
Uh,
1st of December.
My lord, one information I've just got. Yes, we lodged the complaint after the first model answer key, and there was no system of mail. In this, there is in the website itself, there was a portal made from which we could have applied. We applied with payment. We have the payment receipt also. We raised the objection.
Is everything there in your writ petition?
No, my lord, it's not
This
disclosed.
document is the statement
I
I've
don't-
made. This document is not there. That from the website I can find. There is a receipt also. I raised on 25th of September 2025. That is prior that just after the publication of the preliminary. So my statement stands for it, paragraph number 5, and these are the documents which is not here. So I can place it.
Uh,
But if the objections were raised, then the final answer key questions were rightly changed due to their objections.
No, that
Along
was
with
not
them,
changed.
along with them,
We
there,
raised objection regarding
my lord,
four other
along with them, there were 2.89 lakhs candidates who raised objections.
My lord,
We are considering his case only.
No,
no, you must be considering everybody.
everybody's case.
That's what we intend to produce before your lordship.
my lord,
What
what-
deliberations went through with the expert committee while changing all
No,
these questions.
my learned friend is wrong because we raised objection that was not changed by the expert committee.
The
We given documents also
Mm.
to that effect.
It's not
Regarding
disclosed in the
with-
writ petition.
Yes, it is. It is in
The
regard with
initial
other four
objection-
questions.
raised by the petitioner immediately after publication of the preliminary model answer key. আচ্ছা কি দিয়ে শুরু করলেন না the fate of the initial objection along with the
September 25th.
Uh, on 25th September 2025 along with the prescribed fee shall also be disclosed in the report. ঠিক আছে 1st of December.
First December. Well, in the meantime, the interview would be completed.
Let us see, final will be coming
My lord,
after
kindly
the Supreme Court.
keep it at this side, my lord. Otherwise, no, that is different, my lord. That is a 10 marks. My lord,
Yes,
by that
yes.
time, the counseling would be
Apart
completed.
from 10 marks also, there are several other issues.
No,
Let us see.
counseling will be complete. I will not get the schools.
Let us
Kindly,
see.
kindly give me some.
My lord, may I get the copy of the objections which has been lodged by the petitioner? It is
Yeah, I'll hand
disclosed in the writ
I'll hand
petition.
over, I'll hand over. My lord, kindly,
It
I'll
is not disclosed.
Section.
The objection which is being
It is
shown
with
from the
their
mobile phone,
commission's portal. Anyways, I'll give them. No
it's not
problem.
disclosed in the writ
Right.
petition, then my lord,
Then please
Of
provide.
course, but I'll be in difficulty if counseling is held today. If I am called after 18 persons, now my lord, 18 schools will be taken away.
No, counseling will be held. It will take time. Let the final result be
My lord,
published.
kindly keep it after the verification, not at 1st December, my lord. That I'll be in difficulty because by that time situation will change.
And how soon are you expecting the verification to be over?
28th is the verification.
verification will be over, my lord, by the end of this month.
4th December is our verification. I'm told 4th December
Yes.
is our verification.
So I've kept it on the first.
First.
Very
On the first.
Very well. My lord, at the top, my lord. That is
These matters are already at the top. Urgent motion. Keep it as urgent motion. only.
Grateful, my lord.
Item 77 is also regarding OMR sheet matter, not the similar matter.
My lord, it's a different matter.
আমি বলছি তো বাবা, আমি তো অন্য কিছু বলছি না।
Just wait.
Very
I'll just call through. Yes, next.
I'm grateful to your lordship.
The director's matter, my lord. The application which is pending. The lordship on the last occasion was supposed to direct the opposite, the respondents.
There are 9.
file an app-
Has any appeal been preferred against the order passed by the?
I have no instruction as this matter.
Nobody preferred any appeal?
Till date, I don't have any instruction.
And any development or the same impasse is still continuing?
Passive, I have.
But I believe not there is no such impasse as of date, but things have almost regularized as we come to know from the newspaper and
Don't
reports.
by newspaper reports.
Don't have such instructions, my lord.
Are your clients in a position to work?
Lordship, two of them are not in a position to work, my lord.
Others have?
Others, my lord, I have no instructions.
But as we come to once again, as we come to know from common knowledge, they are working. It's once again a newspaper report.
My lord, may I beg for another adjournment, my lord? In the
Certainly.
meantime, if they call, if
On
they-
the prayer of the learned advocate representing the petitioner, release the matter for further consideration on 6th of January
Sixth of June.
of
Lordship,
who are you?
We have, we have served.
Direction was there. to
Yes,
Who are you?
For contempt number 229.
One Lord, in fact, in terms of your lordship, on the 10th of September, direction was given upon them to serve on the alleged contemnor. In course of the hearing, I was informed that I am appearing for one of the alleged contemnors, but no copy has been served.
See, if it has not been served, then please. All right, next. 7.
Seminar.
All right.
In the time for the state matter.
I am here for the petition.
Yes.
The petitioner is not getting pension, my lord.
Bye.
My lord, is that, my lord, the school has intimated the petitioner that my lord, she has overdrawn some amount. When the pension papers were processed, my lord, it has been detected that the higher scale which she enjoyed, my lord, and the DI has granted to her, that was illegal. My lord, in terms of Rafiq Masih's judgment, my lord, at this stage, my lord, overdrawn amount cannot be claimed. And my lord, for that reason, the pensioner benefit has not been released. If you lordship kindly have a look, my lord, the last page, page 18. Now, this is the communication I have received from the school authority. Kindly see, my lord. This is to intimate you that apropos objection dated 28/10/2024 from DIN regarding pension application, we have reviewed the pay with effect.
Show me the portion that you are required to refund.
Yes, that is written here.
3 lakh.
Yes, 3 lakh and
Yes, madam.
something it has been written.
3 lakhs.
Tentatively more than 3 lakh. But this is the only communication I have received from the school.
And since when are you receiving this?
From 1999, lordship kindly comes page 17.
Yes.
This is the later, my lord, postgraduate scale of pay sanctioned by the DI.
Yes.
Well, in reference to the subject mentioned above,
2002.
2002.
Right.
So I have been enjoying the postgraduate scale of pay. Now at the verge of retirement, when pension papers are being prepared, they said that I have wrongly received the honors, the postgraduate scale of pay. So that cannot be, my lord, at the verge of retirement, and the lordship is well aware that the Supreme Court judgment, my lord, it has been said.
Which portion to look into?
My lord, the petitioner might not kindly come to instruction, my lord. It's one last the bottom, my lord. One.
Mhm.
Roman 1, my lord. If the existing pay is lower than the minimum of the shall pay the fixed minimum of the higher scale, my lord. My lord, a petitioner received excess payment, my lord. There is overdrawn amount. But she did not refund. This is my submission, my lord.
Page 17, 2002, communication, sanction of postgraduate scale of pay.
Yes, my lord.
Is this incorrect?
No, my lord, it is correct, my lord.
Page 17 is correct.
Yes, my lord.
Then where is,
Sanction post.
then where is the overdrawn amount?
Yes.
My lord, in my instructions, my lord, kindly see that the school authority had applied postgraduate scale of pay in favor of the petitioner
Hmm.
on 7th March 2001. As per the government order number so and so, had sanctioned postgraduate scale of pay. By memo number so and so.
This memo,
Yes, sir.
page 17.
And my lord, thereafter the page, my lord. Right. In my instruction, my lord,